Create a centralized message center that keeps schedules, meal plans, charging, and permission slips in one visible place for a busy family. Design the space with zones for calendar, charging, meal planning, and documents so every family member knows where to look. Mount a large chalkboard or dry erase surface for daily notes and pair it with magnetic strips to hold keys and small papers. Use contrasting colored markers to denote each family member by name for quick recognition. Install an integrated screen connected to a shared calendar app and set it to a simple week view so everyone can see events at a glance. Place the screen at eye level and enable automatic brightness to reduce glare. Build a charging station below the screen with labeled slots and one powered surge protector hidden behind a false back so devices charge without clutter. Add a hanging file for permission slips and time-sensitive paperwork, and attach a clipboard rack for weekly menus and recipe cards so meal planning stays visible. Use clear labels and a consistent placement system so items always return to the same spot. Use durable, wipeable materials and secure fasteners to handle heavy use in a family kitchen, and consider soft close hinges on any cabinets to reduce noise during busy mornings. People often put too much information on the calendar, which overwhelms the view, so keep entries concise and color-coded by person for instant scanning. A second common issue is inadequate power management, which causes device conflicts. Prevent this by providing fixed charging slots and a single master outlet with surge protection. Finally, many centers lack a routine for maintenance, which leads to clutter and lost items. Adopt a 5-minute nightly reset where one person clears the board, files papers, and checks chargers to keep the system reliable. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find work relevant to projects like integrated message centers. We also host a discussion community where families and professionals share ideas, layouts, suppliers, and real-world tips.